Hello everybody, this is Umair from Simple Tutorials, and in this video we will be discussing how to fix Yahoo Mail not working. So now what you need to do is simply first of all head over to the link in the description of this video to support our channel by donating. Now as you can see, we have a couple of steps to fix our Yahoo Mail not working issue. So if you're using a web browser, you're going to be clearing the cache and cookies, so you know how to do it. Make sure you do that. Cached data might be causing the issue with loading the Yahoo Mail interface. Try another browser, particularly if you're using Chrome, maybe use Edge. If you're using Edge, maybe use Firefox, Yandex, and so on and so forth. So also make sure that you are if you are experiencing the issue with specific browser, trying access Yahoo Mail using a different browser to see if the problem persists, as I mentioned. And also update your browser, so sometimes an updated browser could be causing the issue as well. Then you're going to be ensuring that you are using the latest version of your web browser as mentioned, and then browser extensions or add-ons maybe interfere with the functioning of the website as well. That could be an issue. So make sure that you have if you have any unused or some random extensions going on, make sure to uninstall them. And if you're using Yahoo Mail app, check for updates in the App Store. That is a really big thing as well, because sometimes in App Store you have an unupdated Yahoo. So make sure to apply these steps and let me know in the comment if these worked for you. I hope this helped. Also make sure to head over to the link to support to this channel, and head over to Simple Tutorials for more videos like these. Thank you so much for watching. See you around in the next video.